Welcome everybody to our session in Genomics and AI. I am Amina Mollaysa. I will be moderating this session. And we will have expertise from machine learning and biomedical research, giving latest research on machine learning done in genomics field. So before start, I give a brief introduction about the organization. So I'm very grateful for my colleagues, Ahmed, Jolt, and Emmanuel, who is also here, and my PI, Michael Krauthammer, who's supporting the whole process. I did my bachelor and master in mathematics. Then I did fundamental machine learning research in University of Geneva. Now I'm a senior researcher at the Krauthammer lab, working on AI, machine learning models in the biomedical field. My key area is generative models, molecular design, and incorporating domain knowledge into models, as well as lately I'm also focusing on developing machine learning models to optimize genome editing and the drug synergy prediction, as well as treatment outcome prediction. So we are here today to discuss the latest research in machine learning for genomics. Thanks to the advanced computational method, we have access to a large amount of genomical data. And we know that genetics sits at the heart of healthcare and the biomedical research. It helps us understand the cause and also helps us to develop more precise prediction, treatment for cure. So today here, the idea of setting up this session is bring together the machine learning researcher and the biomedical researchers to discuss, share ideas, and see the potential of machine learning research that can be applied to make personalized medicine happen and at the end benefit the patients and have much more accurate clinical research. So the whole talk, today the session will have 4 talks from expertise in the field, and we will not take questions during the presentation, so it will be uninterrupted. Afterwards, if you have questions, we have time for 3 to 5 minutes, and I'm pretty sure that the expertise will be happy to take some questions offline as well if you don't have enough time. So please welcome our first speaker, Charlotte Bonnet, who is a remarkable postdoc at GeneTech and Stanford. She's also upcoming professor at the EPFL. She did a PhD at the ETH AI Center, ETH, with Professor Andreas Krauses. She's also member of German Academic Foundation, and she's also recipient of ETH medal. She's recently very active in single-cell research and optimal transport